All right, so back here on Tim's F100 Wrongbed, I'm going to pull the... I have Bernsey in the truck so he can run the shifter end of things when I need him to. I'm going to pull the linkages out of the actual trans, and we're going to make sure that everything works fine shifter-wise on the trans itself. And then, I'm kind of going back to stage one here. Okay, just stay in there. Keep your foot on the brake, because I don't want this thing to like roll on me.
Yep, got it.
Oh, shit. Okay, Alright. Everything seems to be in order back there. Alright. So we are styling there. Okay, can you get your linkage centered up into like neutral? Like, try to get over to the other fork if you can. You're still moving the same first rod. Yeah, that'd be up and down. That should be first and reverse, if I remember correctly. No, I want to move this one. I'm waiting. Horn blows. Yeah. Hold on, let me get these together somehow. Let me reach up there. Because our issue we've been fighting, and Scotty and I believe it's the column. It's in the column, the linkage.
Like it's in the column.
Yeah, hold on.
It literally it doesn't do anything else.
Okay.
But I can feel you moving it.
So try to move it like you're going to shift to, like, second.
Reverse.
There's reverse. That's first.
Should it stop first up there?
That should be... Okay, that should be first right there. Hang on. I'm actually going to put you in first.
Go for it.
So stay up where you're at. You're going to have to come down a little bit. Actually. Oh. Can you... Okay. Wow, now we're jammed up. There we go. Okay. Oh, this is a battle. Okay, so go up. Okay. I'm going to stay all the way up there. Let me get your linkage situated down here. I'm going to adjust this. So I'm going to turn the camera off and adjust that. And let's get us working smoothly on one spot first.